Hey guys, what's up? It's Ryan here, and I just got this gun flashlight. Got it for $26, 27. You can get them almost anywhere. Pretty nice. I got another one on here. Basically, it's a fat flashlight that goes on your. Will work on any gun. Anything that has a grip like that. Just pull that back. I'm gonna put it on my AR15. Put on my 10 millimeter later. My AR. Basically, how it works. There's a 1 second. It comes with batteries too. Let me see what batteries it takes. Pretty nice. So, there's a battery. I mean, well, that will last a while. It's pretty big. And just put it back on. 1 second. It's pretty easy. I'll just set down the camera here. So, pretty powerful light. Just press the little buttons on the side. It's pretty convenient. Turn off the light, see how it works in here. Oh yeah. It's great. And we're gonna put this on my AR15. See how that works out. It's got this case. I made another video. Alright. So, down AR. I think you're supposed to do. I got another one. Slide it, Some of these work great. Some of these don't. Alright, 1 second. There we go. Almost got it. Oh, fuck it. I'll just. Alright, I got it to work. Alright, fuck that, but basically you just keep on almost getting it. Put it on the side. And then you just turn it on and go straight down the barrel. But yeah. I think this might be a wrong model. Oh, that's what I was doing wrong. I got it. Yeah. Pretty cool. Yeah, I had it on, but it fell off again. Anyway, it's nice. I'm gonna take this out to the range pretty soon. I'll make a video then. Goodbye. Yes.